Local news for Thursday the 14th of June. Associate Minister of Forestry, Meka Whaitiri, met with Forest Enterprises at their Masterton office during her visit to Wairarapa earlier this month. The Minister's office approached New Zealand Forestry-owned investment company, wishing to talk about the government's forestry priorities. Forest Enterprises CEO Brent Gare says the meeting was very positive, saying it's an exciting time to be in the forestry business. We're encouraged to do all that we can to assist the 1 billion trees planting milestone. Conservation leaders dedicated to saving our national icon have been recognised at the inaugural Kiwi Awards held at the National Kiwi Hui in Littleton. The Conservation Image of the Year was won jointly by Tara Swan, Pekahaman Bruce and Rudy Moisman from Tasman. And in sport, in tomorrow night's netball, Celtics take on Harcourts in what should be a close game at Chanel College, followed by Carterton playing Gladstone. And it's the Battle of the Colleges on Saturday, just after lunch, as Waikato play St Matthews.